When you're listening to a digital narrative, what's that secret ingredient that pulls you in? What actually makes you trust the creator on the other side of the screen? You know, it's not the ultra-high-definition footage, and it's certainly not flawlessly perfect grammar. No, it's something way more human than that.
Digital storytelling advocate Joe Lambert calls this the gift of your voice, and he means that literally. Only you can tell your story in your exact way. Think about it, your natural accent, your unique pacing, even your little stumbles or quirks, those are absolutely not flaws to be hidden away. They are actually your greatest assets for building real trust with your audience.
Okay, here's our quick roadmap. We're going to cover the gift of voice, the power of perspective, crafting tone and pacing, and finally, the practical steps to actually find your voice.
Section 1. The gift of voice. What does a narrative voice even represent in the digital space?
Well, in digital storytelling, your recorded voiceover isn't just some boring vehicle for dropping facts. It carries your personality, your raw emotion, and your specific worldview. It literally captures your essence, and that's the real magic that breathes life into the visuals, turning what could be just a basic photo montage into a compelling human story.
Now, the biggest takeaway here, and please remember this, is that you absolutely do not need to sound like a perfectly polished news anchor. Seriously, putting on that fake, stiff broadcaster voice almost always backfires. Audiences crave genuine sincerity. They want the real you, natural speaking patterns and all. Authenticity will beat out hyper-polished perfection every single time.
Moving right along to Section 2, the power of perspective. The angle you choose completely changes how your viewer receives the story.
When crafting a personal digital story, you're almost always going to use the first-person perspective, the word I. This immediately signals to the listener that this is personal. By using I, or even breaking the fourth wall and directly addressing the audience as you establish a deeply intimate connection. You're practically inviting them to trust you because they're hearing it straight from the source.
Just listen to the difference here. The academic version says, one might feel nervous on the first day. It's just so distant and cold, right? Now, listen to the authentic version. I felt my stomach tighten with nerves that first day. Wow. Swapping out that official detached voice for sensory, personal language drops the listener right inside your shoes.
All right, Section 3. Crafting tone and pacing. It's not just the words you choose, but the actual rhythm and emotional weight of how you deliver them.
Your sentence structure totally dictates your pacing. Short sentences, choppy words, they build anxiety, they create fast-paced excitement. See what I'm doing there? It generates this intense sense of urgency that just pulls the listener forward right into the climax of your story. But on the flip side, when you consciously slow down your delivery, and use longer, beautifully flowing sentences, you give your listener a chance to just take a deep breath. This sets a highly reflective, calm mood, which is absolutely perfect for laying down some backstory or exploring your deepest internal thoughts.
You've got to deliberately match your tone to your content. Talking about profound loss obviously demands a sincere, subdued tone, whereas a funny misunderstanding, that needs a light, humorous delivery. Want the best trick for nailing this? Write and read your script as if you're telling the story to your best friend over a cup of coffee. Just adopting that mindset alone guarantees an authentic tone. Finally, Section 4. Steps to find your voice. Let's look at the actionable, real-world workflow to actually refine your narrative identity. The process basically breaks down into 4 essential steps: draft, read aloud, get feedback, and revise. Think of this as a vital trial and error loop. Your ultimate goal here is to continually strip away all that formal, clunky jargon until your true spoken character is finally revealed. Now, the simple act of reading your first draft out loud is incredibly revealing. Honestly, it's a game changer. It'll instantly expose any formal phrases that you trip over. If you feel detached from the words as you say them, or if you stumble over a really complex sentence, treat that as a massive red flag. Scratch that academic statement and replace it with the concrete, everyday language you actually use in real life.
And because it is so hard to objectively judge our own voices, getting feedback is absolutely crucial. Sharing a draft script or a quick test recording with a peer is invaluable. Just ask them, hey, does this actually sound like me? Another person's ear will immediately catch those weird spots where your voice falters or feels artificial.
So to bring this all together, your visual choices and your editing absolutely contribute to your artistic style, for sure. But the narration, that is the spine of your story.
When you marry a strong narrative structure with a genuine, personal voice, you achieve this undeniable authenticity. Your viewers aren't just hearing words, they are truly experiencing your passion and your perspective.
Your voice really is your greatest gift in personal storytelling. It carries the sum total of your personality, your lived experiences, and your distinct worldview. It's an asset literally no one else on Earth possesses. So the only question left for us today is, how much longer are you going to hide behind a stiff script? Take these tools, trust your natural voice, and start crafting your true story today.